In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable onion routing in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what it does, and how to switch it on or off with confidence. First, open your Cloudflare account. Head to the Cloudflare dashboard in your web browser and sign in so you can access your sites. This puts you on the main overview page where all of your domains are listed. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them grouped here. If you manage just one, it will appear front and center. Next, click on the specific domain you want to configure. Cloudflare settings are organized per domain, so any change you make applies only to that selected site. This helps you tailor security and performance options, including onion routing, to each project's needs without affecting your other domains. Once you're inside the dashboard for that domain, look to the left-hand navigation and click Network. The network section is where Cloudflare keeps many of the connection and transport related features, and it's the home of the onion routing control we're after. Give the page a moment to load all available toggles. Now, scroll down until you see onion routing. You'll find a simple switch that lets you turn the feature on or off. Enabling onion routing helps Cloudflare handle requests that come from the Tor network more intelligently, improving privacy for visitors while giving your site a better chance to distinguish legitimate traffic from abuse. If your audience includes privacy-focused users, or you want to reduce friction for Tor visitors, turning it on can be beneficial. If you don't expect Tor traffic, or you're troubleshooting a very specific behavior and want to simplify your setup temporarily, you can toggle it off. When you change the switch, Cloudflare applies the update automatically. There's no separate save button. The change propagates quickly across the network, so you typically won't wait long to see the effect. If you're coordinating with a team, make a quick note of the new state so everyone knows whether onion routing is currently enabled for that domain. That's all there is to it. Open your Cloudflare account, choose the domain you want to adjust, go to the network section, and toggle onion routing on or off. Keeping this control in mind makes it easy to align your site's privacy posture with your audience and security goals. If you ever need to revisit the setting, just retrace these same steps and you can switch it back in seconds.